Anand Agricultural University. Anand is engaged in high-level agricultural education, research and extension on the crops grown in central Gujarat.
Anand Agriculture University is established as per the Gujarat Agriculture University Act 2004. University is being bifurcated from Gujarat Agriculture University on 1st May 2004. Moreover, university is also involved in the research and the extension activity. As a part and the development of the university and the changing scenario in the world, the technology should be transferred to the end user, and for that purpose a BPD unit is being established under the aegis of the NAIP. And this BPD unit, the main function is to interact and act as an interface between the industry users and the technological development.
A $246 million scheme of the World Bank launched successfully on July 26, 2006 by Shri Sharad Pawar. NAIP aims to facilitate, accelerate and sustainable transformation of Indian agriculture and support the poverty alleviation and income generation by collaboration, development and application of agricultural innovation by the public research organizations in partnership with farmers groups, private sector, the civil society organizations and other stakeholders.
BPD unit, Business Planning and Development Unit at Anand Agriculture University is sanctioned by NAIP under Component 1 by ICAR, which is funded by World Bank. Under this project, 5 state agriculture universities received Business Planning and Development Unit. Out of that 5, in Western India, Anand Agriculture University is one of the center of NAIP.
BPD units have been established in 5 state agricultural universities out of a total of 45 throughout the country. BPD unit at AAU is one of them and the only one in Western India. The BPD unit AAU is a unique campus consortium sanctioned since October 9, 2009 and implemented since February 15, 2010 and having 7 co-PI and technocrats whose promising technologies are identified and put under broad objectives of TOT and PPP. Some of the AAU technologies are also IPR protected, that are continuous Basudin making machine, liquid biofertilizer, Anubhav seeds and seedlings, biodiesel, tissue culture in date palm, probiotic for dairy products, area-specific mineral mixtures for livestock.
Our goal and vision with objective of BPD unit AAU is to accelerate agribusiness technology development and canvassing to private organizations under public-private partnership and creating the agribusiness environment to provide services for research and development to potential and existing entrepreneurs for setting up own units with services like consulting, training and advice for contract farming, etc. To promote new technologies on verge of completion, new varieties and hybrids of crops developed at AAU for commercialization.